Hi everyone, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with the next installment of Grace and Gratitude. Okay, this is day 3. The fullness of His grace. When you're in the midst of a struggle, whether tragedy, sickness, betrayal, or hardship, human nature wants to look at the problem and do what's natural. Worry, fret, and get even. But God gives another option. Trust in Him. When you do, you will receive His peace, His perfect peace for the very moment you're in. He knows all that you're facing, and even with chaos ensuring on the outside, you can walk in fullness of His grace and peace of on the inside. What will you trust Him with today? I will both lie down and sleep in peace, for you alone, Lord, make me live in safety. Psalm 4:8. And the rest is going to be typed out on in the video. So from now on, all I'll be reading is this section here. And I may start doing stuff here. I'm not sure yet. So I will see y'all next week for the next installment of Grace and Gratitude, a devotional journal. Please be blessed, be kind, and I will see y'all all in next week for our installment number 4. Bye-bye for now.